This 2021 Forest River Vibe 32 Mega Siemens is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, auxiliary battery, external shower, microwave, stovetop burner, skylight, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, spare tire kit, LP detector, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Vibe 32 Mega Siemens is 6,884 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.